Is your website slow? Visitors leave websites that take too long to load. In this video, we'll cover practical steps to optimize your website speed, why hosting matters, and how to choose the best hosting like Kinsta. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make your website faster and provide a better experience for your visitors. Website speed is crucial for user experience and SEO. Google favors fast-loading websites, giving them higher rankings. Slow websites frustrate visitors, increase bounce rates, and reduce conversions. Even a delay of 1 second can cost revenue and engagement. The right hosting, caching, and optimized content are key factors in improving speed. Use a fast hosting provider. Servers with SSD storage, low latency, and optimized performance make a huge difference. Optimize images for web. Large images slow down pages. Compress them without losing quality. Use caching plugins or tools to reduce server load. Minimize CSS, JS, and HTML files to reduce page size. Implement a content delivery network, CDN, to serve content faster globally. Kinsta uses Google Cloud infrastructure, ensuring high speed and reliability. Automatic optimization, advanced caching, and global servers make Kinsta a top choice for any website. Test your website speed regularly using tools like GTmetrix or Google PageSpeed Insights. Regularly update themes, plugins, and WordPress for optimal performance. Monitor performance after each change to see its effect on loading speed. Improving your website speed is essential for growth and success online. Use these steps, choose reliable hosting like Kinsta, and your website will perform at its best.